Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can control your iPhone using your MacBook. So this is a new feature they brought out called iPhone mirroring. So if we go to system settings, this should come up on your Mac anyway, but what we want to do is check it's going to work properly. So if you go to your settings, go to desktop and dock and go to widgets. Now iPhone. This iPhone will be used for iPhone mirroring on widgets. If you have multiple iPhones linked to your iCloud, you want to make sure the right one is selected. So get rid of that and just go to your iPhone mirroring. If it's not on your dock, just go to Launchpad and search for it. Open that and it'll come up saying your iPhone on Mac, so you can view your notifications on your Mac. You don't need to go to your phone. Hit continue. So for the first time you do it, you will need to unlock your phone and you can click to allow your notifications or not. So these will continue to come through on your MacBook even when you're not using iPhone mirroring. So all your iPhone notifications will come through on your laptop. Just get started and you'll need to either use your fingerprint or enter in your MacBook password. And as you can see, my iPhone is on here and I can scroll through it. Oh, I just moved that, didn't mean to do that. Done. But I can scroll through it and open apps and do whatever. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and I hope you guys come back for the next one. Bye.